10 o'clock is the time to talk to Ajay Singh. It was decided yesterday in the Avi Arya's session on SEOs, affiliate SEOs. So we'll be meeting after half an hour. So I thought let me make a small video for those, I was reading two news I have come across today morning in the newspaper that 1000 Indians, they are trapped in Afghanistan and they are requesting government to bring them back. This is one of the news today morning. Second news is those who have lost the parents. Same school should continue with the education of the child. So children education and the this job for youth. So this is the two options which are causing concern, and I want to address those two issues: jobs for you, opportunity for you, where you can make earnings sitting at home without moving, without traveling, without going for earning, and then trapped due to international conditions not favoring, and then requesting government to bring you out from those crises. Government is also making all out efforts to bring those peoples back to country, and this is a unnecessary tension in the minds of the parents who are here in India, and the children are trapped outside. This condition is not the first time it has happened. It is happening every now and then. Whenever there is a crisis in any part of the world, the situation becomes like that, and we are finding out means and ways and means to recover, to bring those people who are trapped there, and the parents are worried, the country is equally worried. So there is an opportunity for those who want to be at home and earn through online this thing working through trainings and developments. Process is there for that, and we'll be talking in detail at 4 o'clock today to cover all those issues, where the children education, where the earning opportunity for the youth, all those points will be discussed. So those who are interested can join through the link and participate in the opportunity presentation. Now we'll be holding this opportunity presentation every day at 4 o'clock. Followed by alternate day, we'll have the career opportunity presentation. So BOP every day, COP alternate days, and youth can come, the retired people can come, they can advise the youth to have a life which is peaceful for themselves also and for the parents also. This is what is the small message, though very critical, very sensitive, but then I thought to share this message with you after reading the news in the newspaper. This was my duty to express my feelings, so that those who are interested can come and listen to it, listen to it, and then adopt this as a routine, as a career opportunity or as a business opportunity, whichever way they want. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, and my job is to recruit people in my team so that they can be developed and take forward the business from one point to the another point, and they can earn a handsome living for them, and without tension they can live in their own country with pride. The name of our group is also Pride Group. So gentlemen and ladies, those who are interested can still ask for the link which is available with me. I will be giving you those links to join those meetings every day in the evening and participate, learn, decide and join for the prosperity of you and your family. This is what I wanted to say in this small message. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.